Looks like the workers are getting ready to go to work. Yep, they're getting ready to get out of this red truck and start doing what they need to do. And there'll probably be dump trucks, and eventually they'll have a C-mixer truck, because that'll be next when you're making a sidewalk. I can't wait for the movie Now You See Me 3 sometime in the fall of 2020. I'll buy that one. I'll have Now You See Me, Now You See Me 2, Now You See Me 3. Tommy's got Now You See Me, Now You See Me 2. And also, so when we get 3, you'll have 3 and I'll have 3. And I'm sure Dave Duncan is collecting it too. And Copperfield and everyone. I'd like to get Lance Burton's movie, Billy Toppet. And there's a movie called Slight and Slight 2. Well, Slight 2's coming out. But I haven't seen Slight 1 on DVD yet. Maybe when Slight 2 comes out, maybe they'll have Slight 1 on DVD. You never know. And Disney movies are planning on having a magic movie with all age group boys and girls, junior boys and girls, and teen boys and girls, illusionist magicians. And then there's one where Bart Kelly is going to be the main illusionist in a movie. I don't know if it's the same one or a different one. So you can say there's magic in the air this year and into the year 2020 and beyond. And ABC Fox Family 25 Days of Christmas and Valentino the Masked Magician and Masters of Illusion and World's Greatest Magic Specials and ABC Champions of Magic and Monaco with starring Princess Stephanie. So there's a lot of things to bring back a cool time machine, and usually they throw in classic Halloween and Christmas specials with Charlie Brown, Rudolph, and yeah, well, you get the idea. And then the Rudolph Shiny New Year's. "25 Days of Christmas." And look, I got some of that recorded already from off the TV, and one of the Christmases they had the whole Christmas classics in a DVD case. Me and Tommy got that for Christmas. We wanted that. Miss Story went and got it for us. This year I want to get the complete series of the Hardy Boys Nancy Drew Mysteries. Season 1 and Season 2 has both Hardy Boys and Nancy Drew Mysteries. Season 3 just has the Hardy Boys Mysteries. It's based on the books, and not too long ago they made a new version of Nancy Drew Mysteries, and it goes back to Walt Disney making a children's version of the Hardy Boys. It's neat that you can look on YouTube and watch all the classics and new versions if you know where to look, including clips of E.T.